Labels are color-coded tags that help you organize your content. You can visually see all the labels a post has and filter to include or exclude content with a specific label. Common labels include top 25, republished content, and no index. We'll create your first label together. We recommend using the top 10 label to easily track your highest performing content at any point. First, filter all your content by traffic for all time and select the top 10 posts. Then click over to Settings to create your label. Click the plus icon, add a title and emoji if you like. Choose a color. Once saved, it will appear in the list below. Head back to the Explore page. Click the Action menu and Manage Labels to assign your new label to the selected content. You can also unassign labels at any time. Labels are completely up to you, but here are some smart ways that other bloggers have started using them. If your post includes a video, you might label that so you can be aware. Holiday, this makes seasonal planning easier. Needs update or new content for that year. This is workflow-based labels that can help you track where content stands as you begin filtering and creating projects. Now that we've created a label, let's just take a look at how you can filter it. You can filter it to include a post with a specific label or exclude. You combine this with other filters like performance or structured data for ultra-targeted lists. For example, you can filter for the top 25 posts with low internal links, or search for all top performing posts without a video. Labels give you full control how you group, sort, and take action on your content, so you never lose track of what matters most. Now let's begin to build a project.